So, as we already know about the elements of the on page, so in this session, just we are going to know about the title tag of on page. So, what is actually title? So, first of all, we'll have a look about for the title. So here, whenever whatever the word or keyword, just will type over here the search engine. So accordingly, it will be taking that data. Just So here we can see the result as well. Here we can see the different website as Wikipedia and Investopedia. So here the title or the main heading part which you are able to see in blue color, that is called title, right? This part is called title, right? So just here knowing about this factor as well over here. So whenever you'll be writing titles for any search engine, the character limit is up to 70, right? So whenever you will be writing the title for your website, for your web page, so always remember that place your important or the main keyword at the first, and your title should be unique. We should focus on the keyword as well. So there are some rules of the title tag. So the character limit of the ideal character limit for writing the title tag is 55 to 60 characters. Although you can go up to 70, but if you are keeping it under 55 to 60, that will be perfect and okay. So always place your important keyword first, and after that you can keep your brand name as well. And whatever the title you are writing for the web page, it should be meaningful and relevant to that page content, right? And if you are using more than one keywords, so definitely you can use this pipelining to separate your keywords. So what is pipelining actually? Let me show you once again. So here just we can see this is a website called marketingweek.com. So here they have separated their keyword, right? So by using pipelining as well, right? So in most of the website, just you can see like this one. And so again, we can see here, uh, here they have used pipelining. I mean, the first they are focusing on the main keyword, then after they are focusing on the brand name, right? So like that way you can keep your title, and just avoid to use any comma, underscore or dash in your title tag, and don't write duplicate tag, and try to avoid stop words as well. So what is the stop words here? Stop words like because, but, when, then, like this type of words you should not use while writing the title.